Hey guys. Hey guys, in this video I show how to install the drivers. Okay, you couldn't see, doesn't know. I plugged in my phone. Why? My phone has low battery. Okay, let's connect the USB. Here is a Windows 8 beta. Doesn't work at 3.0. Okay, let's go to device manager. Okay, yes. Okay, network to update. Browse my driver. Let me pick. Okay. Not RAM disk. Network adapters. Next, have a disk. Browse a computer driver. PC. Network. LAN. Are at the order. Windows 7 x64. Okay. Next. Now, let's see. It works. Inshallah it's work. It works, Alhamdulillah. Close. Now, we install the display driver update. Browse. Let me pick. Have a disk. Browse. Okay. PC. Intel. Okay. They aren't compatible. So compatible, it's recommended. Inshallah, it's lamping the screen. Inshallah, 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 inshallah. Okay. Close. Now, install Synaptics. Browse. Next. No, not next. No. Update. Browse. Let me pick. Have a disk. Okay. Synaptics. Synaptics. Windows x64. Okay. Inshallah, it's working. Inshallah, it's working. Okay. Close. Now eject. Yes. Now I must disactivate the smart screen. Why? Yeah, it's annoying. Okay. Up. Control panel. Uh, System and security. Action center. Change. Circle. Okay. Never. Okay. Turn off and enjoy.